video tutorial on how to switch your WordPress site to Gutenberg. In this video, I assume that you know WordPress is a blogging platform and content management system for websites, one of the most popular in the world. WordPress comes in two versions, WordPress.com and WordPress.org. WordPress.com is hosted on WordPress's servers, so you don't have any maintenance to do. WordPress.org is called the self-hosted version because it is hosted on your own website or when you've a company you've contracted with. We will focus in this video on the WordPress self-hosted version.